Carla Clayton, the Wellness Lady, and today I want to share with you what's in my wellness box this month. It's been a while since I've done one of these videos. Today I want to spotlight this product I certainly don't talk enough about, and that is our energizing soy protein. This is such an incredible product, especially for women. Not only is soy protein non-GMO, processed properly, which Shaklee is it good for your heart, your bone health, prostate, and breast health? It's also, and it says it right here on the label, and Shaklee doesn't put anything on the label that they don't make sure is the truth and backed by science. It says studies have shown that soy helps regulate hormonal balance during the transitional period of menopause. I have so many friends that reach out to me and tell me that they are having, hot flashes or different, transitional issues that happen when your hormones are out of balance. This is amazing. When I use my soy protein, I use the Life Shake and I also use this. When I use these, I really don't notice any of those types of symptoms. When I stop, when I take a vacation from it, I notice those things come back. So I know it works. It works for me. It's worked for a lot of my clients. Energizing soy protein comes in chocolate and vanilla. It's an amazing product, and it's a great supplement for extra protein. It comes with 14 grams of non-GMO protein, which is very important. I start every day with my energizing tea. This is a green tea full of great antioxidants, really good nutrition. When I eat 80% of the time, I'm thinking to myself, what nutritional value is this going to give me? The other 20%, that's my soul food. It just tastes good, right? We treat ourselves. But I try to give 80% of my fuel really good stuff. And that's what I love about this, is that everything in it is good for you. And this is my elderberry energizing tea. I have it for breakfast every morning. And then I add one of these vitalized immunity tablets to it. This gives me extra vitamin C and other really good things that are good for the immune system. And it tastes so good. It's like a little fizzy orange tab. The other thing I do for my immunity, and I usually like to use this later in the day, like my afternoon tea. This is a product called Triple Immune Boost, Defense Boost, I'm sorry. This is an immune support drink, and it took 8 years of research to develop this and bring it on market. But these are the things that it does. I absolutely love that it supports our immune system in 3 ways. One, it supports the immune system with vitamin C, D, and zinc. And if you don't know it, 80% of Americans are deficient in vitamin D, and that is such an important nutrient that we need in order for our immune system to work properly. It's got immune boosters in it like yeast beta-glucan, reishi mushroom extract, and ginseng root extract. And then it's got immune defenders such as elderberry, echinacea, and quercetin. Really delicious. It tastes like berry. Wonderful product. I was running low on my Nature Bright. This is my laundry booster. You add it to your laundry soap. I use, of course, the Shaklee Fresh Laundry. This helps release the enzymes, removes the dirt in a very natural way. It's good for the environment, good for the, your clothes, makes them last longer. I also use it to clean my toilets and brighten things, clean my sinks. And it doesn't bleach things out. That's what I love about it. For lunch every day, I love to have a meal in the bar. This is a peanut butter and chocolate chip. It has 20 grams of protein, 6 grams of fiber. It is a complete meal, and it's so easy and simple. I love to have my shakes in the morning, my bars, my tea. Like, can you see this is like my lifestyle? And I know when I'm eating this Shaklee nutrition that everything about it has been tested and proven to be safe and not have any harmful ingredients. They've never had a recall in 65 years. This is my other favorite meal bar. This is white chocolate and cinnamon. To me, it tastes like a cinnamon bun. I absolutely love it. As you see, I have 2 boxes of those. And then my final product in this box is my SPF 30. This is my favorite sunscreen. I've used this ever since they came out with it. I don't know, it's probably been 20 years. It's so amazing. It's got it's got in it some stuff that's our active ingredients in our skincare line that actually repairs cellular damage on the skin. It's incredible. Plus it, it keeps you from getting burned. I've never been burned when I use this, except in the places that I missed a spot. And that's how I know it works amazing. And it's so safe. Safe for you, safe for your children. Everybody in the family can use it. I send this to my daughters to use on my grandbabies, and they absolutely love it. By participating in the loyalty program, I was able to save over 50% on these products. And I got a lot of these products free by using my loyalty rewards. So if you would like to know more about how I could help you with my super shopping abilities and knowing how to maximize the benefits of your Shackley membership, just contact me. You can use my new contact me link. It's contactcarla.com. That'll take you right to my scheduling app, and you can schedule an appointment with me. I hope that you have an amazing day, and I will see you real soon for another video.